Hey, Bolo Buddies. Thanks for watching. Welcome in. We are talking about big money bolos, items to be on the lookout for, items you can hopefully buy low and sell high. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. If you're not in my Bolo Buddies Facebook group, come join. It's free. We talk about all things reselling with a focus on big money bolo items. There are over 100,000 people in this group that are ready to help and share. So come join. It's free under my link tree down below in the description. Once you're there at the top of the group, I have a share post where you can come and share your bolo, and I'll feature it in a video just like this. This one comes from AG Sells Stuff. It's a metal sailor. I think it's like a balance toy, and it moves like back and forth. Pendulum. There you go. Check it out. Says they got this for $7.41 at an online estate sale, sold for a offer of $89.99. Would you have picked it up or walked past it? In this video, you're going to see a lot of things that you may not have known about. And that is the whole point, that everybody shares and we all learn from each other. Super cool way to learn. Vintage Pomar Hawaii dress. This is a Hawaiian floral dress. Anything that is floral Hawaiian that has the old vintage tags, look them up. A lot of them are bolos. Found this at an estate sale. Caught my eye, but I wasn't too happy with the $24 price. But I looked it up and comps look good. I posted it just before lunch, doing my post office running errands. After lunch, I got an offer for $68. Glad I was busy and didn't respond, because by the next stop, it sold for full asking price of $75. It may have gone so quick because it was the largest size listed, but on average, sold prices for the last 90 days is $62.52. So I'm happy with my $75 sold. My store name is Patty's Picks and Grins. Yeah. So vintage items tend to run small. So this was a vintage size 18. So this is a larger size for a vintage item. So yes, that probably definitely helped sell it. And I talked about this in another video that I just did about if you get an offer on something and you just listed it, or it may not be exactly what you want, instead of counter offering right away, maybe sleep on it. You have 24 hours, I think it is, to accept. Is it 24 or 48? I don't know, but I usually give it a little extra time. I sleep on it, wake up, and sometimes you will find that you have another offer, or they ended up buying it for full price because they didn't want to wait and risk somebody else getting it. So let me know what you guys think about accepting offers. Do you wait, or do you just accept it? For me, it really just depends. It's situational for sure. This is a Harley Davidson pennant. Purchased in a box lot of miscellaneous items from an estate. Oh, from the Howard Hessman estate on Whatnot. Bought it on Whatnot. If each item in the box came to about $3 each. Researched the pennant and saw that they were anywhere from $250 to $500, depending on color and size. I listed it first for an auction listing starting at $250. After a month, I changed it to a buy it now for $325, and it sold within days, accepted an offer of $250. So they bought it on Whatnot for about $3 an item. So it must have been a bulk buy on Whatnot. You guys can definitely find things on Whatnot. You got to find the right sellers and you got to do your homework, but there are definitely good margins for items on Whatnot. So paid $3, it looks like, and sold it for 300, or I'm sorry, for 250 on best offer. That is awesome. Wow. There you go, guys. How many people are buying things on Whatnot and flipping them for a profit? I know I have. Great place to source. If you're not on Whatnot, I do have a referral link. It's down below where you can get $15 to shop if you use that referral link to join. I am also selling on Whatnot. I love it. I start my items low. A lot of resellers buy from me. So come check me out, Bolo Buddies. This is an aluminum dealership license plate frame. And they said a lot of them are bolos. Bought this lot of 200 frames off a guy on Facebook Marketplace for 100. Most will go for 10 to 20, with a few going for more. This is the biggest sale to date. Took an offer of 75 and it sold in 2 months. Awesome. Next item is this Pioneer 8-track tape with AM FM stereo. Picked this up for free at an estate sale on their last day. Sold for $144. Gotta love free. Gotta love it. Vintage The Golden Book Encyclopedias, purchased at an estate sale for $16, sold for $118.95 in 3 weeks. Some books are worth good money, so keep your eye out for interesting looking books. Rare goods and treasures. AeroVironment charging dock. Bought this at a garage sale for $25, sold in 2 weeks for full asking price. The buyer was from LA and the shipping was not that much. There you go, 25 and sold for 195. I would have had no idea what that was. This one comes from Double T Treasures. You can also check her out on YouTube. It's a Mary Kay discontinued mineral powder foundation. New in the box, purchased at a garage sale for $3, took less than a week to sell for full price of $59.99. Saturday Evening Post, lot of 6, full magazines from 1913, 1914. Picked up a stack of these for free. See, probably should have listed them higher. It was only listed for 2 days before selling. I am Thrift Wizard on eBay. Come check out the eBay store. There you go. This is a Disney Dumbo bathtub Precious Moments, estate sale Precious Moments figure, which I almost took out of the pile. Only found one comp, sold in a week for $50. Look how cute it is with the little bubbles. That is adorable. This is a vintage Ruby Z Candace Lougheed necklace, ceramic bunnies. You guys, seriously, would you have walked past it? This is, look right there. Look it up. If you see something like that, look it up. It's got crazing. How cool is that? That's pretty rad. Hand painted, found at the local Goodwill for $5.99. I didn't recognize the artist's name, but I knew there was something special about it. I was really bummed. I found it after Easter, but it was signed and funky, so I had to have it. I listed it for $149.99, took an offer of $120 with free shipping. Took 2 weeks to sell. Jennifer's Thrifts, and she is RN Jen 84 on Poshmark, Facebook, and Mercari. RN Jen, what's up, girl? Thank you for sharing. That is an awesome bolo. Good grab. The next item is this 1970s Optimus 99 Ranger Camp Stove Gasoline with box and manual. This one comes from Dog Patch Picker. Bolo for the hiking camp stoves and other models by this maker. Some can go for super high. I thoroughly researched this one, priced it high, even though it was missing a couple minor pieces, and still sold within 30 minutes of listing. The buyer sent me an offer for $80, and before I could respond, they bought it for the full asking price of $99.93. Again, you guys, be a little bit patient because a lot of times if they really want it, they're going to pay your full asking price. This one is Multiples MPC Blues Grays Civil War Historical Battle play set. Random Acts of Thrifting. Found this at an estate sale for $12 on the second day. Did a quick comp and saw they could do well. Listed for $150, but sold for $136 with my eBay coupon on eBay. Sold in 1 week. Since the pickup, I've learned a lot about these play sets and just found another similar one that I'm listing now. Random Acts of Thrifting on eBay. The last one here is this Yale Shakespeare complete 40-volume pocket book set from the 50s and 60s. Found this set, learned about it from Childhood Finds. Check out her YouTube. Yes, Childhood Finds is fabulous. You guys, she's a bolo finder. She has a great YouTube channel. You would definitely learn from her. So I am agreeing with Random Acts of Thrifting on check her out on YouTube. She said, I watched her video. She highlighted many books and very shortly saw these at an estate sale, and I bought them on the second day for $20, the whole set. Most listed and sold had extensive fading on the covers. I bumped my price higher and sold comps for this reason. They sold for asking price of $200 in 2 weeks. I was so excited to find these right after her video. Never knew anything about them. Awesome. And thank you for shouting out a YouTuber that taught you something. That's awesome. You guys can learn a lot from YouTube channels. So if you're a reseller and you're listing or shipping, throw on somebody that talks about their what solds, and you may just learn about a bolo you don't know about. Thank you guys for sharing your bolos. Come share another one. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.